Something to think about. Most trading techniques have at best 65% chance of success. That's little more than a coin flip. Then why more than 90% of all traders lose? 90% don't lose a coin flip. Successful trading is largely influenced by a trader's mindset and emotional state. But many resources for traders such as brokers, educators, books focus primarily on techniques and strategies. However, it's important to remember that mindset and emotional control are crucial for successful trading and should not be overlooked. Hey there, Tamir from FIBONACCI'S.com here with the daily market recap. Please hit the like, subscribe, share with friends, and without any further ado, let's hit the charts. Rate decision is behind us, as expected, raised 25 basis points. SPY still moving sideways. 453 to the downside, 456 to the upside. Let's see where SPY is taking us. For now, nothing much. We are waiting for long continuation above 456. Let's see, below 453, this white trend line needs to hold the support. QQQ, another day, another doji. 379 to the upside, 376 to the downside. For now, nothing much on the Qs. IWM with a nice bullish day, 0.8 to the upside. Now 198 is the resistance, 194 is the support. Let's see continuation above 198 towards this white trend line. Look left, this white trend line held the higher highs since April of 2023. So with high probability, once 198 will break to the upside, this area of white trend line together with the 202 will be the next resistance. Follow price, use levels and trend lines as your guide for future price action. Dow Jones, another day, engulfing candle to the upside. 352 to the downside is the support. Let's see the touch and maybe a break above this red trend line together with the 358. As you can see, this red trend line held as resistance for the higher highs. Bitcoin, another day, another nothing. 28,900 to the downside is the support. Below it, we are heading towards 28,100, 27,300, and then 26,300. Long above 30,200 and then 31,800. But for now, Bitcoin and Ethereum, nothing much. As you can see, Ethereum basically moving sideways. 1860, 1940, nothing much. We can take Fibonacci once again, swing low, swing high. We can do it also from here. Very tight price range on Ethereum. Meta, perfect reaction for Meta earnings. 319 after hours. Now let's see continuation towards 337 together with this white trend line. This white trend line helps us to identify the higher highs since March 2023. Google, Doji with a gap to the upside, 128 now is the support. Below it, we are heading back to the 125 and then closing the gap at the 123.40. We know that more than 80% of all gaps will get filled. Long continuation towards 133 and then 137.80. Soft, not so bad after all. Went all the way towards this white trend line. Trend lines are the true support resistance for price action. I know I sound like a broken record, but it is what it is. This white trend line holding a support, the higher lows. Now let's see a bounce toward 353 to the upside, breaking down another. This gap will get filled, and then we are heading towards 322, and then this gap at the 316. We can take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. Now we have all the levels for resistance and support for future price action. Apple, another day, green day, but still moving sideways. 124, 125, very tough resistance. If bulls will give up on this area, we are heading towards this gap over here together with this blue trend line. Let's see where Apple will close the week. Tesla, nothing much in the past few days. 253 to the downside, 273 to the upside. Breaking below 253, in my opinion, this gap at the 236 will get filled. Long continuation above 273, and this gap at the 290 will get filled. And of course, everything you see and hear on my channel is for educational purposes only. Always do your own due diligence. Never follow blindly anyone on social media. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like, subscribe, share with friends, will be much appreciated. Don't forget to check the links in the description below. Until the next video, stay safe.